Hey chat, today we're taking a tour of this awesome village. Oh no, the village is burning down! I guess we'll have to relocate all our new friends to a new house. I managed to salvage 192 wooden planks to build a house for these villagers, and everyone knows squares are the best shape. So our house will have a square base. Don't worry about the floor. Villagers like dirt.
We need to find the length, width, and height of our house, so we'll need to use the equation for volume. V equals length times width times height. Well, since the x values are the same, we're just going to use x squared times y. We have 192 blocks, so that's our surface area. We can find that by adding the area of all the sides together, or 192 equals 4xy plus x squared.
But how can we solve for equations with two variables?
Just solve for y in terms of x in the secondary equation so we can substitute it in the primary equation. This way we can kick y out and have only x's. Now that the equation is in terms of x, we can take the derivative.
What do we need the derivative for?
Well, at a maximum or minimum point on the graph, the slope is equal to 0. The slope of a graph is the derivative, and if we set that value to 0, we can solve for x.
Now that we solve for x, we need to make sure this answer is a relative maximum.
How do we do that?
By using the second derivative test. We need to find the second derivative and plug x into the equation. If x is less than 0, then we can confirm it's a maximum. Now let's solve for y. X equals 8 and y equals 4. So we can see that our base should be 8 by 8 blocks and the height should be 4.
Using 192 wooden planks only, we've made a nice, spacious house for the villagers. Don't mind the dirt, they like it. Man, I'm so glad PS saved those 192 wooden planks. Who wants to do all that for villagers anyway?